People keep asking me why I installed this instead of this. Not that. This. I know most people are thinking, price. Wrong. That played such a small part of my decision, I didn't even care about it. I'm not loaded, but Cheryl was built with love, sweat, and tears, and I have no reason to cut corners on the very end of what I'm building. Sniper and Terminator are very close to each other. They almost look exactly the same on paper, and the cost difference is pretty big, but there's some very small differences that make a big difference between the kits. If you go on Holley's website and you look up Sniper, and then you look up Terminator through the descriptions, they are almost exactly the same thing, so why would I spend the extra money? There is a difference. If you actually go digging through Holley's website, you will find a very long graph that shows you the difference between all of their EFI setups. Now this can be kind of hard to go through, so I simplified it for Sniper and Terminator, showing you the main differences in this graph right here to make your life somewhat simple. I'll put it down below if YouTube allows me to do that. Once I broke it down to just the simplest form of what the differences are between the two, it is very evident these two kits were built for two very different builds in mind. Sniper is designed to give you just the basics, your efficiency, your power, and drivability. That's what it's for, and it does it great. Camaro drives amazingly well, but it doesn't give you any extra frills. Can you boost it? Yes. Can you take it road racing? Yes. Drag racing, it'll do all of these things, no problem, but it won't do them as good as a Terminator. Terminator setups are everything that the Sniper kit is, just add in all the performance stuff that you want on track day. It gives you your boost versus time, boost versus speed, which are awesome for boosted applications. Gives you advanced stage nitrous control. Yes, please. Then you got your knock sensor, which is good for safety to help keep you from blowing up your engine. Hopefully, as long as you don't add that extra too many pounds of boost, you know what I'm saying? We all like to crank it up a little bit. It's just so good. So why did I not install a Terminator setup on this car? That's simple. I don't need all those extra features for this car.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I just need good drivability. This is a drive to the car show, drive on the holiday kind of car. It is not a performance-based vehicle. My F100 will be a performance-based vehicle, and those videos will be coming out soon. I'm working on them, promise. But it doesn't mean in the meantime, we cannot take this bad boy and go do some burnouts with it, because never mind. I gotta fix the brakes on it first before we can do anything with it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace. I don't want to fix the brakes on this thing.